Hello everyone, my name is Carol and this is Winter Haven Wisdom. I am here with you on Thursday, a beautiful sunny day my way, to do a monthly reading for the sign of Libra. Libra, this will be for the month of May, and the astrology in May we have right now currently, of course you know the sun is in Taurus. We have a new moon in Taurus on the 7th. So that's just in a few days. We have Taurus and Venus, and we have Aries going into Mars, and that's creating a little bit of energy. And I think Pluto is going to be retrograding in Aquarius. So also putting a little spin on things in energy. All right, I'm going to start with Wisdom of the Oracle, and we'll see what comes out for you here in the month of May. So Spirit Guides, this is for Libra. What does Libra have going for the month of May? What's going on? Okay, bottom of the deck for your Virgo is the energy of Imagine. I'm sorry, that's a little reflective when I go there. The sun is really starting to peek in on me. Imagine. So this is about imagining the life you want, spending some time in some dreams and just thinking of all the magical and wonderful things that can happen for you. And then we have this beautiful yin energy. You might be in your feminine energy right now, and that's very beautiful. And you might have a deep knowing about something in your life. Okay, we have a lot of different energy here. Of course, this is a collective reading, so it is for a lot of different Libras, so it will cover, you know, many different situations. So you're in your feminine energy, you're deep knowing about something, you're imagining. We have truth be told here. So the truth of a situation, someone might be bringing in, here a wise owl is opening a window and love is coming pouring in. We have the energy of poised, and this is about being in a state mentally, emotionally, and soul-wise to welcome in all the abundance you're ready to receive from the universe. You've been doing the work, you've been doing the healing, you've been doing the manifesting. You have this deep knowing about you. And then we have yang energy here. So this is your masculine energy, or somebody attached to you coming in. We have the never-ending story, and this is somebody who has their heart encapsulated in a timepiece. They're not moving on, they're not doing anything, and this might be an energy you need to release in your life. Come to the edge, come right to the edge of existence, right to the realm of all possibility here. To be fair. This is the Justice card in this deck, about things getting fair and more even in your life if they've been out of whack in the past. Flexible. You're remaining flexible and changing times, right? Being willing to flow with the energies, reconsider your thinking, compromise, bend, change when you need to. We have the thinker here, somebody in deep thought, trying to figure things out, maybe trying to get some clarity on something. Building blocks. You may be doing something that you're building and growing in your life. We have the energy of regeneration. Someone's been going through a huge rebirth. This is like a death and a rebirth card. Serendipity. Magical little things that are going to happen. In the last couple of days in my life, I haven't been hitting any red lights when out and driving. And I went to the bank yesterday. Nobody in line at the drive-thru. And then later in the day, I got a front row parking spot at a location I was at, and it was raining out, so it was really nice just to be able to run in. And those are the kinds of serendipitous little things that can happen for you, so pay attention in your life, okay, Libra? We have this energy of unfinished symphony. Something in your life may feel unfinished or not done, and you can see the keyboard and the music, and somebody up there playing a violin, right? And then there's a bird in the sky, and that's probably a spiritual energy there. And you're just working on it, right? You know that you're not finished, but you're doing it anyways. And then we have the energy of community. So something that you're building or working on, you're part of a community. Maybe you're building the community, you live in a community where you're seen as a leader. This could be in your home, where you worship, where you work, a neighborhood, something like that. So that could be an important part of this building thing you're doing, and where you're staying flexible and know you're not finished. Maybe putting some deep thought to it and trying to figure it out in some way. Okay. Now we will take the Good Tarot and get you out some base energies. We have an idea of what's around you. Remember, Libra, this could be your energy or somebody attached to you, so be careful of what you take on as your own, okay? Bottom of our deck is the Chariot. So balanced forward movement, a triumph or victory of some kind perhaps coming in that you're moving towards. Okay, in the center of our spread we have the Seven of Swords. And this is an energy, it can be an energy of somebody that is spiritually aligned on a path, moving about that path in a quiet and non-dramatic way, just doing their work, staying spiritually aligned. Or this can be somebody that has deceived you in the past, that ran away from you, an energy you're trying to release in some way. Okay, we have two major arcana cards here. We have Very swordsy energy here. Lots of air energy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards are air energy, and Libra, you are an air sign, so that makes perfect sense, doesn't it? Okay, so in our opening position, we have the Two of Swords. So you're holding yourself back. Maybe you don't feel clear. Maybe you feel like there's some energy that you can't see. And you're just holding back this energy right now. You're not ready to make a decision on it or make any moves on it. And then we have temptation, and this is devil energy. This could be fear, fear of the unknown. This could be an addiction, an attachment, some energy like that. And then we have the Knight of Swords. And this is a fast-moving energy. Somebody on a path of truth and honesty in their life and working that way. Then we have the Queen of... and that's our first row. Then in our second row, we have the Queen of Swords. And she's... give me the truth, give me the whole truth and nothing but the truth. She knows her worth, she knows her value. She won't accept anything less than what she deserves. And she may be very spiritually aligned, and she's going for stability in her life. She's working towards that, this Four of Pentacles energy. She's focused on stability in her life. In the bottom row, we have the Page of Swords. So this is a beginning energy of someone that could be spying on you, checking you out, Libra, or you're doing this to somebody, looking at their social media, following their pages, looking at their picture, going through text messages, talking to their friends, trying to get information on them. Then we have the Five of Swords. This is somebody that's nervous, aggravated, frustrated, argumentative, up in their head, listening to other people's points of view, gossiping, probably getting pressure from spirit, disregarding that, just really troubled, annoyed, frustrated. And then we have the Three of Cups energy here. And this is an energy of friends getting together and celebrating. This could be communication, or this could be some type of a third-party situation that you've been in the past. And then the extra energy that came out is Strength, and this is a spiritual energy. Spirit's helping you with being strong and confident in some situation in your life. To take action on behalf of yourself, to stay balanced and be risk-taking. Okay, so like I said, we're getting a lot of swords energy here. We're working towards stability. All right, let's take the Lightseer's deck, and we'll get you some clarification on these cards. Tell me about the Two of Swords energy. What is this for Libra, please, Spirit? Yeah, that's got somebody up in their head and aggravated with something. This Five of Swords worry energy. What else is going on here? Strong. This person is staying strong and confident despite what's going on in their head. Tell me about temptation. What's going on with this energy, this devil energy? It's the King of Pentacles is here. he's thinking about stability, union, and Lovers. Tell me about the Knight of Swords. He's got the Two of Cups. He feels a soul connection with someone. And he's going to turn the Wheel of Fortune. Tell me about the Queen of Swords. Oops. Queen of Swords is the Empress. And she is also the Knight of Pentacles. So she's on a path here, building something. And with this community, she's a master manifester here. She uses the elemental energies around her to make things happen in her life, transmuting negative energy into positive energy. Tell me about the Seven of Swords, please. Seven of Swords is that spiritual alignment about the work we're doing. Ace of Wands, the potential for creativity and fiery energies here in this work. Anything else for the Seven of Swords? She's going for a victory, right? She wants to be successful. Tell me about the Four of Pentacles. The Queen of Cups is there. She's looking for stability. And the Page of Cups. Tell me about the Page of Swords. This Page of Swords has the Ace of Cups. He's the Knight of Wands, or she is. This is a fiery, energetic, passionate knight. And then we have the Hierophant here. This is somebody that's looking for commitment. They're spiritually aligned. They are honorable. They have integrity. They conduct themselves. They have morality. The roles, it's the roles we play in life. What is this Five of Swords energy? So the Two of Wands, somebody's made a plan and they're taking action on it. And the Seven of Pentacles, manifesting. Divine timing. Whoa, cards just got really knotted up there. Tell me about the Three of Cups. And Three of Cups is friendship, right? You could be getting invited to a party or an event or something. That is the Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. And the Four of Cups, someone's, you know, a little bit sad, but they're using that cup that's left to manifest in their life. And this is the third mention of manifesting here in this reading here, Libra. So somebody's really, really manifesting. Tell me about strength. Someone has a broken heart and they're trying to stay strong. Spirit's helping them. What else with strength? Six of Swords, they're moving away from that heartache. They're going on to happier times. They're not going to let that heartbreak get them down. They're releasing that energy. Okay, let's go through again. Tell me about the Wheel of Fortune, please. What's happening with the wheel turning here? What is the Wheel of Fortune? I have the Page of Pentacles here. This is a beginner on a path to earn pentacles. And the Two of Swords energy again. Somebody trying to make a decision up in their head. What else for the Wheel of Fortune? So once they make that decision, right, it's going to turn the wheel. And then we have the Seven of Wands, and this is somebody who is spiritually aligned. They're doing the work. They're in this spiritual bubble. They may be keeping other energies away from them, kind of boundaried up like. Tell me about the Empress, please. The Empress is at the end of a cycle. Tell me about the World. Three of Cups, friend group. Five of Wands, strategizing, trying to get ahead, trying to make something happen in her life. Three of Wands in receiving energy. Staying poised and ready in that feminine energy to receive. She's working towards 10 of Pentacles in her life. Tell me about the Six of Wands. What is this victory we have here? This is healing, wish upon a star, some divine timing, reciprocal energies, and a death and a rebirth, and something of a reciprocal energy. Tell me about the Page of Cups, please. It's the Eight of Wands, communication coming in. That's with the Queen of Cups and the High Priestess. There's our deep knowing energy, right? And Queen of Cups is often very psychic and intuitive. So they'll know when this communication is coming, right? They'll know it. Tell me about the Hierophant here. He's in the Nine of Wands. He's all boundaried up, maybe holding his ground on something, being careful with energies, not letting just anybody in. Maybe could be a little defensive. Page of Wands, excited to be on the path that they're on. Tell me about the Seven of Pentacles, please. That somebody is manifesting the end of a burden in their life. Anything else for the Seven of Pentacles? the devil energy. So up here in our devil energy, we have the King of Pentacles. So this is our King of Pentacles here. He has the plan, right? And he's manifesting it. Tell me about the devil. The devil is in the truth, right? It's not being afraid to speak the truth. Three of Pentacles, a willingness to want to heal, mend a situation, compromise, work together, collaborate, co-conspire, make something happen. Four of Swords, we're just healing up our heart here. Tell me about this Nine of Cups energy. What is wish fulfillment here? That would be the Chariot, moving forward. What else? Queen of Wands. Who's in this Four of Cups sadness? The Knight of Swords is. And the Knight of Swords has the Two of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, Page of Pentacles, and Seven of Wands, and Two of Swords. Whatever path. So this Queen of Wands could be in this Knight of Swords energy. Tell me about death and rebirth, please. That is Judgment. Somebody up in their head about it, going back and forth, tossing energies around. Seven of Swords and the Hermit energy. So somebody, you know, this Hermit is just in this never-ending cycle, not releasing his heart, tossing this energy around. You know, Spirit is saying judgment here. Are you going to be a death and rebirth and get into this spiritual, this reciprocal energy for a victory? And when I stop shuffling, we have the Tower on the end here. So Libra, it looks like you may be thinking about going towards somebody in the past and you're trying to make a decision about it. And someone else is spiritually aligned on a path, doing their thing. Somebody is going through a death and a rebirth. Some kind of relationship or something in your life isn't finished. Somebody is really, there's up in their head, there was so much Swords energy in the base level of this reading. So you know, the truth is trying to come in here. Wish fulfillment is trying to come in. We have the Ace of Cups, the Two of Cups, the Lovers, the Four of Wands. We've got the Chariot, the Six of Wands. right? The Ace of Swords. We don't have the Ace of Pentacles. We have the Ace of Wands. So we're missing the opportunity yet. That isn't out here. For this energy to move forward or on. And I think meanwhile someone else is focused on a spiritual path or on a creative project, some kind of business or thing like that that's moving along, and they know they have a deep knowing. They know they're going to be successful. They know what's meant for them is not going to escape them. So Spirit guides, what is the outcome for Libra at the end of May? How does this energy play out? Ooh, the sun just got behind a cloud. Could you see the difference in the room? Wow. I was almost tempted to go outside and film today because I can't wait to get back out there and film in the outdoors. But it's just a little too chilly for me. Okay. When I stop shuffling, we have the King of Pentacles here at the bottom of the deck. So this may be the energy that's trying to move towards you, Libra, or that is you. Okay, so this is based on the energy we have here right now, the astrological things we know are going on. This is what your outcome will be like. Of course, free will can change all of this. Your free will and the free will of someone else, or the energies around whatever's going on here. So we have the King of Wands, our fiery energy, our magnetic, creative, passionate, fiery energy. Queen of Pentacles, our grounded, nurturing, kind, loving, giving, abundant queen. The Emperor is here, and that's a leader, a protector, reliable, dependable, strong, courageous. Six of Wands, a victory of some kind is here. Two of Cups, a soul connection. The Sun, the Yes card, illumination, happiness, joy, joy, joy. Eight of Pentacles, Let's work on this. Let's come together and build something. High Priestess with a deep knowing. Six of Pentacles, let's be reciprocal. Three of Swords, let's heal this broken heart. Can we please release this energy? Four of Cups, still the sadness, right? Four of Wands, looking for stability. Page of Water, a beginning love offer, a beginning love connection, text messages. Four of Swords, somebody healing their broken heart. Eight of Cups, walking away towards their happiness. The Moon, this could all be hidden from you. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Eight of Wands, communication. So Libra, you may have some communication of some kind coming in, fast-moving energies by the end of the month. Some kind of communication around a soul connection and working together is my guess here. Something's going to come in. Now we will take the wisdom of the Oracle. This is sacred forest energy. So on a higher plane here, what energies are going to be around Libra in the month of May? I still think it's crazy to be saying May. What do we have for Libra in the month of May? Libra. Bottom of the deck is Frog Spirit with renewal. This is like a rebirth energy, a fresh new energy coming into spring. Okay. So we have Phoenix and transmutation. You know, we have lots of energy here indicating working with energy, manifesting, transmuting, turning negative energy into positive energy, using the elemental energy around you to make something happen in your life. We have Frog Spirit with renewal. So a whole new fresh chance at something, a fresh new way of being in the world, a new life energy coming in for you. Hummingbird Spirit with joy and happiness. Wild Rose Fairy with love coming in here with a King of Pentacles. How beautiful. Standing Stones, this passage, you're going to elevate, shift timelines, and you're going to go on this by yourself. Wise Woman of the Grove, grace, being a forgiving, kind, loving, elegant, graceful person. Foggy Bay with patience. Bluebird Fairy with gratitude, being grateful for every little thing in your life, for all the abundance and love around you. Spirit Garden of Winter, and this is retreat. Pull your energies back and just rest and relax. Somebody here is in winter energy. They're still healing and working through some of these energies, and one of you is farther along on this healing journey than the other, so stay patient. Elves with playfulness, be playful, be lighthearted, sing, dance, right? Keep your vibration high, enjoy your life. And pure spirit with purification, right? Release these energies, all the negative energies that you can, the frustrations, the worries, the concerns, the burdens, the 10 of Wands, the 10 of Swords, the 5 of Swords, the 2 of Swords, all that kind of energy. Let's release it. The heartbroken energy that's here. It's time to release it, to free our heart, to love again, right? Let yourself love. All right. That's the reading I have for you today, Libras. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Do check out your other placements, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And if I had to give you advice on any one to watch, if you only have time for one, watch your rising sign. That would give you the overall picture of what's going on in your life in the easiest way. I hope you have a beautiful May and that this energy here comes into you, that this can wrap up for you in May. You know, there's no guarantee here with free will that something might happen. So that we have a masculine going towards a feminine. We have a feminine ready to receive here, wanting this energy to come into her. Someone else working on a path, making something happen. Growing something with expansion and stability coming in here. Some beautiful energies here. So wishing you all the best in May and sending love and light to all Libras everywhere. Okay. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next reading. I'd love to see your likes, shares, and comments. Love hearing from all of you. So take care. Okay. Take care.